Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher, the true leaders of one curriculum, one nation. Today's lecture is for class 2, chapter 2, lecture number 6. You need the textbook, the workbook, the summer pack and resource pack. By the end of the lesson, the student will be able to, as cello number 6, write a few simple meaningful sentences of their own on a given topic. As cello number 7, fill in the missing information to complete a simple paragraph. The name of the unit is Our Hero, and today is the last lecture. Please, for class task, open your textbook on page number 10. The question says, make sentences of the following words: merchant, independent, leadership, achieve. Merchant. What was the meaning of the word merchant? Tajir. My uncle is a merchant. Independent. Pakistan is an independent country. Leadership. Muhammad Ali Jinnah had great leadership skills. Achieve. Work hard to achieve success. You can make sentences of your own also. This is just the practice for the words which were given to you in the textbook. My uncle is a merchant. Pakistan is an independent country. Muhammad Ali Jinnah had great leadership skills. Work hard to achieve success. The meaning of the word merchant was tajir. Independent means azad. Leadership means rahnamai. Achieve means hasil karna. Now please open your workbook pages 10 and 11. The skills to be assessed on the workbook page are listening and writing. The skills. Question 3 says, use the given words in simple sentences. Ask your mother to help you in making these sentences. The first word is Karachi. The second word is sun. The third word is book. The fourth word is hardworking. And the fifth word is Pakistan. All of these 5 words are very simple, and you have to make simple sentences. So let's give it a try. Karachi is a big city. That's all. Karachi is a big city. Sun. The doctor had a son. Book. I like to read my book. Hardworking. Sana is a hard-working girl. That's all. Simple sentence. Sana is a hard-working girl. Last word, Pakistan. Pakistan is my country. Or you can also write, I love Pakistan, or I live in a city, a famous city of Pakistan. So the task was to make simple sentences. So you have to focus on the spellings, on the pronunciation, and make simple sentences. You can ask help from your mother, brother or sister, whoever is around you. Otherwise, this part of the lesson is also very helpful for you. You can pause the video any time of the lesson, complete your task, and then move on to the next book. Now let's look at the home task. You have to open Summer Pack pages 16 and 17. Yes, you can see page number 16 and 17 in front of you. This is how they look. Write a few sentences about the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Tell from which SLO this question has been taken. Question number 4. Complete the simple paragraph with the help of the word bank. Tell from which SLO this question has been taken. So you can go back to the unit, read the chapter, and then select some lines which you can write on your own about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The sentences can be simple. Question number 4 says that there is a paragraph with some blanks, as you can see in front of you, and there are some words given on the top of the paragraph. You have to read line by line, select the word wherever it fits, and then you have to cross the word and complete this task. Thank you and see you soon. Don't forget to do your homework. Take care. Allah Hafiz.